What if you could type a single word and get a custom icon instantly? No libraries to browse, no APIs to call, just text to vector art generated on demand. That's exactly what we set out to build. We teamed up with a friend in California, forked an open-source project called IconShop, and set out to train a transformer model that generates SVG icons from text prompts. The idea behind IconShop is elegant. Feed the model thousands of SVG icon definitions. Train it to understand the structure and patterns of vector graphics, then prompt it to create entirely new icons. Here's what went into our model: a 16-layer transformer decoder with 1,000 hidden dimensions and 8 attention heads. We fed it the FIGR-SVG dataset, thousands of icon-style SVGs, and let it learn the DNA of vector graphics from scratch. The first training run took 2 full days. 6 epic 200,000 steps, all on rented GPU hardware. Not a massive run by modern standards, but more than enough to see if the approach actually works. So, did it work? Kind of. Ask it for a star or a trash can and you get recognizable icons. Multiple styles, solid fills, outline versions, all generated on the fly in about 12 seconds. But ask for a clock and things get weird. The model struggles with circular shapes and internal details. Sometimes it confidently generates valid SVG that renders as something completely different than what you asked for. The honest takeaway: first models are never production ready, and that's the point. This wasn't about shipping a product, it was about learning what model training actually feels like. You watch loss curves drop, you adjust hyperparameters, you wait through epochs, and then you see your first outputs come back from a model you trained yourself. That moment, seeing your own model create something from nothing, is worth every hour of the wait.